Did you practice the screenshots?
I did not. I'll be honest with you. I need to start these routines. So,
Yeah, only a
yeah,
little
this
bit.
is, yeah, I
Only a
think
little
it's
bit.
important. Yeah.
Yeah, it's important, but little bit. Yani, we will not. Yani, we will not heavy. Yeah, just little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and practice this, yeah, really fast so we can link with
hmm
today's like new lesson. So we were talking
hmm
about this sign and we said, what does it mean? What this sign mean?
This sign means it's like, is it elongating?
Yeah, no, we don't elongate. This is a fatha. We called it as a
Oh,
fatha.
sorry, fatha. Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
we said
It's
it's a
like
fatha and it
open,
means to open the mouth,
open.
saying the
Yeah.
sound of the
Open.
letter. So how we
Yeah.
read that one?
Ah,
Exactly. Go on. This one.
ba.
And we said, what is the
Nah.
difference between this, that?
Oh, it's in the start, the middle,
Yes,
and
the
it's
end.
following. Yeah.
Exactly. We're gonna recognize him more anyway. Okay.
Yeah.
What is that?
The,
Tha.
the,
Nice. Good.
yeah.
Tha. Yes, that's right.
And then what is this? This is
Ja. Ja. Ja.
Yeah,
Ja. 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 Yeah. Ja.
ja,
Yeah.
ha,
Ha. Fatha. Ha. Ha. Ha.
ha,
Yeah.
ha,
This one is
ha,
heavy. Yes, it's
ho,
kho, which is heavy. Yes.
ho,
Kho. Kho.
yeah,
Kho. We have 7
ho,
heavy letters in Arabic, and this is the first of them. Kho.
ho, da,
Light.
da,
Yeah, exactly. Da.
da,
Yeah. The.
da,
The. Your tongue touches your teeth. Exactly.
the,
And we
yeah,
said the and the only join to the previous letters, not the following letters. Yeah?
okay,
Okay. Just a quick revision here as well. You say all of them.
yeah,
Okay, let's have a new stuff here. You're gonna say this and then that. This and then that. This and this and that. We want to make it harder.
okay, ah, ja,
Yeah.
ba, ha, da,
Yeah.
ha.
Good. Nice.
The.
Yes.
Uh, that is
Ba. Ba.
the,
Ba
the.
ba 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 ba.
Oh,
Ba
yeah,
as
okay,
well.
ba.
Look, the same one.
Yeah,
Look, this and same.
yeah,
Yeah.
ba. All
This
right,
is this.
sorry, I got
Yeah, this
tricked.
is the end. Yeah, it is
I
joined.
got
Yeah,
tricked.
making you confused.
Ba.
Yeah.
Ba, ja,
Nice.
the,
Good.
ha, the.
Good.
That's ho.
Nice.
The. That also looks like the, but
Yeah. Be sure it is that as well. Yes, that.
okay. The, um, za,
Yes, but you touch that. Touch your teeth.
the, the. This is this is the
That. So that
the
was fatha that. So the same letters, but instead of saying the
the.
whole sound of the letter, like just a, ba, ta, fa, ja, and so on. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's move on here.
Uh, ra,
Ra,
raw,
ra,
raw,
ra,
raw,
ra.
raw,
Yes, ra.
raw.
Good.
Za,
Nice.
sa,
Yeah.
sha,
No, the
saw,
first one is right. Yes. Saw. Heavy.
saw,
Saw.
saw,
Yeah, you said it
saw,
first, you're right. Say it again.
saw,
Yeah. Good.
daw,
Okay.
raw.
Mm.
All right. No, not right.
No, not at all.
Yeah, I'm messing this up.
Yeah, this
Um,
is a ta.
but it's heavy.
Ta,
Right?
exactly. This is the heaviest letter in Arabic. Ta.
Daw,
Ta.
daw, daw,
Good.
daw, r- daw,
The.
the,
The.
the, the.
Yes.
This is yeah.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Hamza.
Not Hamza, not Hamza, not Hamza, not Hamza. This is a. Not. Yeah,
ah.
exactly. Exactly. Not
Yeah,
a.
right.
No, this is a sound. Or the ain letter and fatha. Has a fatha on the top is
Ah, ah,
yeah,
ah.
yeah, like
Yeah.
alam. Yeah, this word.
Yeah.
You still
Okay. That
remember?
should be easy to remember. It's very
Yeah.
different.
So you
Ah,
still remember the flag?
the flag, Egyptian flag.
Yes. Okay.
Ah,
All of them.
okay.
This
Raw,
and that. This and that. Yeah.
raw, da,
Da.
no, da,
Yeah.
raw, da.
This.
Oh, this is the,
Exactly. Yes.
and then this is da,
This is the which you get your tongue touching your upper teeth.
da,
The. So we
da,
said this is
da,
like Z in English, which is the last English
z,
sound, but this is
the,
a TH as in the. Yeah?
da,
The.
yeah, the,
Yeah.
da,
Wait.
saw,
Wait.
yeah, yeah,
Slower. Okay, again, this one is what?
the,
No, this one you don't get your tongue out. This is like Z in English.
the,
Yes,
the,
za. Yes, we're keeping normal.
the,
Yeah. This
the,
This is the with the tongue touching upper, like
the,
the upper teeth.
the,
The. Nice.
sa. That's ha,
Exactly.
sha,
Yeah.
ha,
Yes. Ha.
ha,
Nice.
so, fo,
Yeah.
ja, lo,
Yeah.
do, sa,
Yeah. But this is a tha as well. You get your tongue touching your upper
tha,
teeth. Tha.
tha, tha,
Yeah.
tha. And then that's one that I just messed up. Do,
Exactly. The heaviest letter. The heaviest sound. Ta.
do,
Exactly. Good. Next one.
da.
Nice.
This one is the,
Ba. You good.
do, ba,
Ba. Not ba. It's
ba,
just ba.
ba, ba,
Light.
ba, ba, ah,
Good.
ah,
Say it. Ba.
ah,
Yeah. Okay.
ga,
Nice.
la,
Good.
ma,
Nice.
na, oh,
Ha.
wa? No,
Ha. Ha.
ha, what am I?
Ha is different,
Ha,
yeah. The beginning is different, completely different from the middle, the end. You have to focus it a little bit. Ha. Yeah.
ha,
Yes.
ha. That's wa,
Where is light in
wa,
Arabic?
wa,
Yes.
wa, wa,
And in English as well, I think it is light. Yes.
wa. Like a
Yeah.
W, wa.
Exactly. Yes.
Uh, yeah, no.
Yes. It is the last
Yeah,
English. It is the last Arabic sound. Yeah. Letter. Yeah.
yeah, yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
Now your mission is possible, inshallah. You're gonna say all them, yeah, this, that, and so on. Yeah.
That one is why am I messing up with that one?
Yes.
This was it.
Ro. Ro.
Ro,
Yeah. The one has a dot is ro. Ro.
ro.
Yeah.
Yeah, the,
Yes. The. Okay.
the, that is ro.
No, not ro anymore. This is ro. But this.
Yeah, this is with a dot above.
Fa.
Da?
No. It is F like F, which
Oh,
is a.
fa. Yeah,
Yes.
fa. Okay, fa. Fa, and then that's ha,
No, not ha.
ho, ghai,
This is Ghain has a dot on the top, but this has no dot.
yeah, this is oh,
Yes, but light. No.
oh,
Ah.
ra.
Ah.
Say it again, please.
Ah. Like
Ah,
alam. We said alam, yes, alam. So
ah,
this is
ah,
ah.
ah,
Ah.
ah,
Yes, ah. So this is a
ah,
ra, which like has a
ro,
dot, ra, but this is what? Ah. Yeah.
okay, ra,
Ah.
ra,
Yes, raw.
uh,
As you said it firstly,
ra.
yes, raw.
Uh, this is not fa.
Yes.
This is
Raw.
qa,
Raw.
qa,
Raw.
qa,
Yeah.
qa. This is do,
No. It has a dot.
do. Tho.
The. The.
The.
Yes.
Da.
Yes, light.
Uh,
Da.
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 Da. Oh, so da.
Yeah.
Da.
Da.
Da. This is ya.
No, 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 no.
There's like a
This
ya in
is
there. Ka. Ka.
yes, yes, but light.
Okay. Okay. Ka. Ka.
Ka.
Ka. Ka. Ka.
Ka.
To. Za. La. Sa. Ha.
Hmm? What is that?
A.
Yeah.
A. Is that that's not a meme, is it?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
It is meme? Okay. Ma.
Nice.
Ma. Yeah. Do.
Exactly,
Do.
thought.
Yeah. Yeah. Ha.